Guys, man. I just needed to make this update. I'm gonna show you why. On the first episode of Build a Brand, first bags came in and they look absolutely stunning. And I finally found it. This is the other version. Extremely bright colors, and they have reflective material. They're water resistant and they're lightweight, and they have a lot of cargo space. Lots of cargo space. They got cargo in the back, and they have three pockets. It drops down with your gloves and try to open a chest bag. It's really difficult without compromising their sense of style. They will be on